it was pretty.
كبرت الكورنر وعملت منها شيء يعني بنبسطوا العالم بالطبيعة بدنا نشوف كيف العالم مجمعين سبيشال عندي اكيد 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 احنا واجب علينا كلياتنا كبلد مثلنا كل شيء يمكن بلادنا ما انه نحن نعمل اي شيء تفكير انه
Hello.
Последние 2 года я работала, начала в стилистику, делать что-то новое. Да, спасибо.
You're in the right place. Did you walk around? There's some nice stuff.
want me to? I see.
And from my point of view, I mean, I look at it from different perspective. It's really interesting for me when I start to collect artworks. I never thought I'm going to collect artwork. And I want to mention that about the collecting artwork, it's not really difficult to do it. And you don't have to have a budget, a big budget to start. And very interesting, we got a train, we had a course, we went to UK for for collecting art and how to start that. So it was very interesting. And I thought always people who collect artwork, they have to have a big bucket. I realize people with a low budget, a small budget, they can start. And you have to realize, as soon as you start, you cannot stop.
It's true, it's addictive.
Yes, it is. So it's very interesting. But for me, I enjoy. I like to what suit my budget, what I like the artwork to collect. And from different perspective, I look at it. Is supporting the artists is one of the way to encourage them. I mean, that's also a way of looking myself. I said if somebody bought my artwork, how I feel. I mean, definitely that would be a good push. So if I'm involved in in art, if I'm involved in in the field of culture and art and support the creative people, what as a person I can do some, at least even a little impact, how I can support that. So I thought it would be a good way if I can buy artwork that I like, a reasonable price. Plus this would be a good support for them to encourage them to continue what you're doing. These people will buy your artwork. What you're doing is amazing, it's interesting. So just a way to push them to do what they're doing.
Lovely. So Van.
So you know what's coming, Megan, right?
Oh, I do.
If again you look at it civilizationally, what is collecting? You are a custodian of a cultural object. You are a keeper of history. So beyond the kind of day-to-day reasons, and let's be honest, the main reason we all talk about in terms of collecting art is it's a financially prudent thing to do. It makes market sense for you to collect art because these are assets that appreciate in value very well compared, if you're strategic, compared to other assets.